Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a domain for completely free. So this method works worldwide. I'm going to show you step by step how you can claim your free domain. So basically the first step is you want to go to freenom.com. So type in freenom.com in your search bar and then this comes up. So now if you already have an account, that's fine, you can sign in, but if you don't, you first have to sign up for this platform. So basically let me log out first. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually very easy. So you will get redirected to this page where you can log in or create an account, and from here you want to go to service, register a new domain, and here you can type in any domain you want. So let's say I'm going to do free website test 3, something like that. Check availability, this button over here. And as you can see, you can choose about these 5 domains. So all of these cost money, but these are free. They cost no money and you have them for a year. So let's say I want .ml, but you can also choose this one, this one, this one, or this one. You just hit get it now and then hit checkout right here. And now you can hit, if you want to forward this domain to anything existed, you can hit that, but I would leave it like this right now. Then select the period. You can change this to 12 months for free. So as you can see, the first 12 months are completely free. Then hit continue right here, the blue button. And this will bring you over to the shopping cart where you have to enter in all the information which cost no money. So I'm going to sign in right here with my email. So then you get to a page where you have to enter in all your information. So your name, your address, your email, your phone number. So do that. I already done that because I have an account. And as you can see, now you get to the checkout page where you have to pay nothing. You can hit this box I have read and agreed to the terms of conditions. Then hit complete order. And now it's going to load. And this may take a couple of seconds. And there we go. We got our free domain. So now you can access it by click here to go to the client area. Go to services, go to domains. And there you go. Here's your domain for free. So now you can connect this with a host and then you have your website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time.